You know, I love sneakers. I really do. I truly do. But y'all are something else, okay? Because accessibility is something you want. But now that the Nike Tom Sachs general purpose shoe is available at Kohl's, now you're too good for Kohl's. Now that's a lame place to shop, so you're not buying the shoe. Broke this news. It was a true shock drop, and still people are not happy. Or maybe this goes to show too many of you care about exclusivity more than anything else.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and this is very unexpected, so I'll try to keep this short. You're probably aware of the Tom Sachs general purpose shoe. We had the original colorway drop studio, and that had a lot of hype and demand, and people were excited to get their hands on a pair, but you still went through all of the hoops and ladders to try to get them, and Tom said, hey, I will make my shoe more accessible. It's looked at as a true all-purpose sneaker, and if you don't believe me, go watch Blake Yarborough because he's really putting these through a full wear test, no pun intended, but he's like a true wear tester right now for the Tom Sachs GPS. So he's rocking it, and the other colorway dropped, Archive, and a lot of people still want this pair as well. They couldn't get their hands maybe on studio. And you know what? Tom kept to his promise as Complex broke that news. He said, hey, he kept to his promise. The shoe is available at Kohl's. Now, they're only at select locations. Kohl's dropped their distribution list of where they would be. I see a lot of people really happy and excited. I mean, really happy and excited about this. Then there's the other side. What do we want to call it? Hypebeast bougie choosing side that, oh my goodness, they're at Kohl's, so there's no way I can be seen at Kohl's to buy something. I'm sorry, do a lot of people understand that multimillionaires and billionaires are not running to Foot Locker or standing in Foot Locker lines, or they're not camping out at any of the footwear stores or going on footwear sites or hopping into raffles to buy shoes? They often shop at those, department stores like Kohl's. Their entire outfit probably looks like it came from Kohl's, yet their net worth could buy your entire family's, like all of their property, homes, clothes, everything you own, all of your assets could easily be bought and with like the drop of a hat by what this person probably earns in a year, but they're not trying to look like something that you deem as, I guess, I don't know, fly or important. So people think it's lame to stand inside or outside of a Kohl's. They think it's lame, like you're camping out at a Kohl's. You've camped out at a Walmart for PS5. Make it make sense. A lot of you have camped out at Walmart. You stood in line. You've broken your neck to get something at Walmart for Black Friday. And there are whole meme pages about what occurs at Walmart and the people that frequent like every local Walmart. This is where we are right now in sneakers. Here's the truth. I suspect that side that really feels a little bit too good for Kohl's. Here's the truth. A lot of that will fall into the category of a person being just a hype beast or a reseller, because now they understand if this shoe is accessible to the everyday soccer mom in Kohl's, that will undoubtedly drop the price. At least I hope it does on the secondary market for this shoe. So if you wanted this and maybe you're not close to one of the Kohl's locations, you can go and buy it at a lower resale cost. And I just firmly believe, okay, based on these thoughts shared, it's based on somebody being a reseller, okay? Because I saw someone post, because TradeBlock said, hey, that's a come up, right? Somebody said, that's not a come up, bro. No one is buying these, so like you can get your pair cheap, so that's a come up, I guess. But yeah, you ain't making money on these. Who said that their entire goal was to make money on a shoe if they just wanted to get it to wear it? Do you guys think about what you say before it's just spewed out onto the internet, or no, just word vomit the thing in 2022? Something else I find hysterical. So if you look at the locations, it's not necessarily the larger cities you would think of that get every major sneaker release and collaboration. And so people are whining and complaining about that. You have everything. So the one time you don't have something, now it's like the end of the world. There's truly no pleasing consumers, the public. This is the reason why I don't know that I can ever be in a professional role again where my job is to like actually have to deal with meeting the public's demands. I just don't think I can do it. I don't. I'm being real with y'all. Like, know your ministry, and I don't think that could be it for me. Another amazing thing of this shoe being at Kohl's, a lot of people have Kohl's Cash because they've already shopped there before. So you can also apply that and get a discount on a shoe you really want. Where's the downside? I'm just... I do feel bad though for the Kohl's employees who had no idea what was about to hit them. It felt like Black Friday and it's not even October, it's September. I feel bad for you, but for the resellers that are complaining and whining, I truly don't care. Get over it, shut up, move on, just move on. For the entitled people again and those that are too bougie to want to shop at Kohl's, I couldn't dare be seen shopping at Kohl's. Okay, that's a flex, I guess. All right, but yeah, that's all I gotta say. Were you able to pick up the Tom Sachs general purpose shoe, archive? If that's something you wanted, go ahead and comment below. Would love to know. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.